Differentiation is worth 25% of your exam, give or take. If you suck at it and you don't know what to do, this is the perfect video for it. So here we're going to be discussing when we use each of the rules, the chain rule, the product rule, and the quotient rule. So as a general rule of thumb, you use the chain rule when you have something, some sort of complicated function to the power of. So let's say, for example, you had sine x cubed. This is an example when you use the chain rule. The reason for it is because you can turn this sine into some function u cubed. So your y is now u cubed, for example. But then what the chain rule says is that the differential is equal to dy by du times by du by dx. What does this mean in normal human terms? What this ultimately means is that you need to get your function, which is sine of x, differentiated, get dy by dx, which is cos of x, and do the same thing with your y function. So if your y function is u cubed, your dy by du is equal to 3u squared. Notice this, dy by du is this one, du by dx is this one. All you need to do is multiply them together. So then this is going to turn into 3u squared cos of x, just like that. And then you need to turn your u back, and your u was initially sine x, which is going to be 3 sine x squared cos x. Let's move on. Next one is going to be the ln cos x. So this is a bit more of a complicated example. So what you have to do here is you have to first turn your whole function of ln into u, ln cos x. So this is going to be as follows. U squared is equal to your y function, and your u is ln. But then of course you have the problem of what is this then? Well, this you need to find its own differential. So this is chain rule twice. So how is this going to look like more exactly? I'm going to say that this is again y is equal to ln cos x, which if I turn this into u ln like this, the differential of this dy by du is equal to 1 over u like this. Okay, but then I also need the differential cos x. So then cos x is equal to minus sine x. So multiply these two together. So it's going to be 1 over u multiplied by minus sine x, which is equal to minus sine x over cos x, i.e. tan x. This tan x was the differential of just this. So du by dx was minus tan of x, dy by du is equal to 2u, and then multiply these two together, so 2u times minus tan of x, which is equal to quite complicated, isn't it? Follow me for the next video, which is going to be on quotient rule.